I've done a dummy build on the steam engine just to see how things go together, and when I looked at it I thought, well, there's only the valve to go on, valve chest and a valve, and I can put some compressed air on and see if it works. So we'll give it a little bit of air and see what sort of... As you can see, it runs really nicely. I haven't got a piston in at the minute, there's no gaskets anywhere, but it runs very nicely. I'm very happy with it. Try putting a little bit of load on it. These engines always sound better with a little bit of load on them, especially steam engines. Quite a powerful little feature. It'll be better again once it's actually running on steam. I've got quite an interesting job here to do. It actually belongs to the lady I work for. As you can see, it's a handbag, and what's happened is she's lost a little pin that goes into that catch. I think it's quite an expensive handbag, but it's a handbag her daughter bought for her and she wants it repairing. So could I repair it? Well, I'm sure I'll be able to make something that'll fit in there, and that's actually held on, that's screwed on. So I'll take that plate off, have a look and see then, see what sort of fastening has been on there. See, I've got gloves on to keep the bag clean, not to keep my hands clean. And so that comes off there. I thought there was threads in there, but there's not. So I think it's basically just been through there and probably riveted over. See where it's just pulled through. Right. So we need to, first thing I think is to measure that hole and turn a bit of brass to fit into that hole, and then some sort of catch on the end of it. I don't think it should be too difficult to make work. .5.8mm. We'll put a bit of brass bar on the lathe and turn it down a bit to make some sort of shape that'll lock into there. Right, that fits in there quite nicely. I think all I want is a little groove in there, just for the little latch to lock onto. Right, I found a nice little high-speed steel parting tool that should put a nice little groove in there. It's not going to take a lot. So actually that's doing the job there. Right, so all we need now is this parting off and then that riveting into the other part of the bag, and it should do the job. Right, so I've decided to leave it in the leather chuck to file the square into it. I mean, I could put this in a collet and do it in a milling machine, but basically it's only a handbag, you know. One more, that should be the right. Now we need to measure it, make sure we've got the square to more or less the right dimensions. Right, so basically I've got the square just about right. Right, so that simply goes in there like that. And I'll probably just rivet the back of it over, and that should do the job quite nicely. Right, so basically that square's a nice fit in there. All I need to do now is carefully pin that over. Being careful not to damage the right, that's going nowhere. Right, so that's nicely riveted into there. Goes in there, releases. Basically that's going to do the job. We'll screw it back onto there. I really do with some smaller hands. I'm really envious of the model engineering guys that use the little 10B screws and nuts. Absolutely incredible. I don't like going down much below 6mm personally, but right, the moment of truth. Look at that. I'm sure I should be happy with that. I don't think I'm supposed to be up here, but there's nobody about. There's quite a lot of the nice bits left. Very nice. Some nice bits of box section there. I think I can be able to bring them home, unfortunately. Decent bits of channels, some railway lines. Decent sized shoe block there. Must be 5 or 6 foot tall. A steam roller here, but obviously it's not a steam roller, it's a diesel roller. They just get called steam rollers. It's a roller, but all the good bits on there, boilers and motion work, because obviously it's got a diesel engine in it. Steering's exactly the same, worm wheel chains.
a new one. I haven't seen that one before.
Found a little single cylinder steam engine which is roughly probably 4 times as big as the one I'm busy renovating. It turns over and it's absolutely wonderful. Like a disc crankshaft in this one. A little bit of wear on it, but I bet it still runs. And the governor still works. That's probably 4 foot high to there. You stand next to that dog? Belly and tit suit. You get some idea of what sort of size it is. Once again, it just remains to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and a massive thanks as always for all the well wishes that are coming here towards my wife and my dad. Thanks very much. And don't forget, if you like what you see, tell your friends and get them to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.